Yo, Ed, can I ask you something?
Yo, Ed, my name's Chip, and how would you tap off an outlet under a cabinet left of our microwave? I want to add another outlet behind the sink. I'm not sure if it's safe to run a wire down the wall and cover it with metal or plastic raceway. I can't get behind the wall because it's exterior. I received a $500 quote from an RV place to have them run one outlet. Thoughts?
Now, as far as running outlets, I've actually run into this issue where we've got spots inside of our coach that have no outlets, and it just gets annoying. Um, but if you have a bonded wall, like our coach has a bonded wall, so that means it's fiberglass on the outside, a layer of styrofoam, and then a layer of Luan. And I'm not going in that wall for anything unless I have to, because that is a huge pain in the neck to take apart. And also, once you take it apart, you lose that strength from it actually being a bonded wall, because the styrofoam does add rigidity in between those two layers. And it also adds an insulation layer. So I'd run an extension cord. I would plug the extension cord into that socket, and then find one that's the right length. Even if you want to cut an extension cord and wire a different end on it, use your raceway that you were talking about. But since the plug for your microwave is behind inside of a cabinet, I would just use that raceway right over the door and just run an extension cord exactly where you want it, and then put either a power strip or some other plug situation to have the electricity that you want in that area. Not ideal, but I wouldn't want to go digging into a wall just for an outlet for convenience. It's going to end up not being convenient in the end.
Yo, Ed, my name's John, and I'm wondering what the best way to mount a TV is for my RV. The dealer wanted $100 just to hang it in the bedroom.
All right, now inside of each room there's going to be a specific place to mount a TV. There's going to be the best place to put it, and it should have just a little sticker on the wall that says Mount TV here. So that is actually inside the wall. Inside the wall they put a panel that is actually a little bit stronger. It's usually some kind of metal, and what it does is it's an actual stronger area, so you can screw right into it. And personally, make sure you don't get too long of a screw, and just get a mount from anywhere where you want to get a mount from. If you see a nice mount at Best Buy, or if you see one on Amazon, you see one at Harbor Freight, that's really all you need to do, is just make sure you find that spot in the wall that says Mount TV here, and you can just zap screws right into it, and make sure it's level, make sure it's square, make sure everything is good to go. But usually that's going to be your best spot to mount that TV. I wouldn't even peel the sticker off the wall. I would just mount it right on top of it. And also, tech tip, a lot of times the short screws are the ones for the TV, not the long ones. So if you get in your TV when you're going to mount it, you don't really want to use the long screws, because that's going to go too close into the picture, and it's probably going to ruin it if you just hammer them all the way in.
Yo, Ed, my name's JR, and how do you maintain the exterior appearance of your RV?
Well, one thing you can do is wash it, because a lot of people, I don't know how often you wash your RVs, but they show that you park under trees. So washing it is one good way. You can find a good gel coat conditioner that will work for the fiberglass. You can wax it. But really the big thing is just keeping it clean. You can use, just like a regular wax. You can wax the nose of your RV, or if you have a travel trailer. Really just keeping it clean is the biggest thing. A good wash will go a long way with a lot of these RVs. And you'll see something that's been parked under a tree for years. And really just a good scrubbing will get most of that off.
Hey, thanks, Ed.